To Yardstyle Live.
This week's guest on Yardstyle Live is...
Wasp attack.
Yeah, it's a Wasp attack.
No joke.
Yeah, man. Years, you know.
Trust me.
They get me in trouble one at a time, you know. And before me go there, remember
I
when
know,
the barbecue
know
play?
that.
And I think I did two songs, man. Zine? And we did a play. Then there's some like vibes that go on and police that lock up the sound. And you see, when police come and take up box and because first thing when the police come, you try to get rid of your turntable.
That is it.
See? And the other thing we also do now is paint out the box. And the other thing we also do, I not do one inform. Do not answer inform. Too much information. It's every time we go out, the sound have a different name. You see me? Because your name going on one book, you know.
Yeah, you can.
And then you do the other thing too. When them come check you, you give them all the wrong address like what Etana say, you know? Yeah, man. So me, when the police...
The whole thing layout.
Yeah, man. So me, when Mr. Officer come and say, yo, lock up the sound up. Mr. Officer want a permit. The man say, permit for what? So Mr. Officer, me can play one song. I'm a draw, lock up the sound.
Shovel.
Master, where do this me?
Shovel.
Walk one, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.